Hello student, welcome to our channel English A to Z solution. Today we shall study about a very important topic in English grammar, reported speech. Part first. It means how we can change the sentence direct to indirect. Especially today we shall study about only simple sentences. Let's start our topic. First of all, you know that what is the reported speech? It means direct to indirect. Students, early morning to late to night, we are regular talking in our domestic life. This type of the sentences also we can say the direct, indirect, narration, statement, and reported speech also. So students, five type of the sentence then we can change direct to indirect. Simple sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, operative sentence, and exclamative sentence. Today we can only focus simple sentences, how we can change indirect to indirect. So students, reported speech, the part first, simple sentences. Now what is the direct sentence? In any examinations you can find he said to me in comma inverted comma, you are playing cricket at this time. It is a sentence. Students, there are the two sentences you can find, number first and number second. In first sentence, in reported speech, we can say that reporting verb, and the part including in comma inverted comma, in this part we can say reported speech. Now question is this, how we can change the sentence in indirect speech? So students, there were a lot of changes, but here is only one change in reporting verb, second conjunction word, and in reported speech there were the three changes and three major rules. We can study in further class. We also that in reporting verb only one change if you can find in direct speech in this type of the word, when we change in indirect in these types of the words. First of all, if we can find only say when we change sentence in indirect, and say are the same here, and say to, now we change in tell. If we can find says, then there were no change, and if we can find says to, now you can change in tells. If you can find said, now there were no change, said is same here, and if we can find say to, now we can change in told. So students, in simple sentence also we can change these type of the words, especially when we make the sentence in direct speech we can change and these type of the words in form. Now second thing is more important, if we can make any sentence direct to indirect, we can use a conjunction word. If in other words we can say a joining word, it means we can use here that, and comma inverted comma left in this place. And there are the three major changes related to the tenses. Students, if we can find in present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. These are the four part of the present tense. Now we can find in direct speech these type of the tense we can change into past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. It is a very simple rule. And now if we can find here in direct speech past simple, now we change in past perfect, and if we can find in past continuous, we can change into past perfect continuous. And you know students, if we can find here indirect speech part, past perfect and past perfect continuous, there were no change in any sentence direct to indirect. If you can find in the future tense and modal also, then we can change shall and will, proper, should and would. If we can find in may, then we can change into might, can we can change into could, and must, and ought to, used to and didn't, there were no change. The same models we can find here. So students, total tense is 12. Now we can change in only 8 tenses when we change any sentence direct to indirect. And most important things here, past simple change into past perfect and past continuous change into past perfect continuous. Mostly students forget that where we change in past simple and how we can change any sentence past simple. So past simple change in past perfect and past continuous change in past perfect continuous. And there are the next important rule here related to pronoun. You know students, you know that there are the first, second and third person pronoun, especially first person pronoun I and we, second person pronoun you, third person pronoun she, he, it and they. So I, my, me, we, our, us, these are the first person pronoun. And you, your, you, and she, her, he, his, him, it, its, it, and they, their, them. These are the forms of pronoun. And then how we can change the pronoun? It is very easy rule. If you can find S-O-N upon 1, 2, 3, it is a short trick. Then first person change according to the subject, and second person change according to the object, and third person no changes. Students, it is very easy. You know the third major rule of time and distance. Time and form, या फिर time and distance. Other words we can say time and distance. And you can find in any grammar book very easily. You can look, and these, that, these, those, come, ago, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day, the next day, the following day, and this type of the words you can find in very easily. We can change time and distance according to the rule. Now there are 3 major rules related to the tense, related to pronoun, related to time and distance. There are 3 major rules only we can change in reported speech, and only 1 rule we can change in reporting verb. Then here we can find said to, say, yes, says to. According to the rule we can change also. So now we can change the sentence in indirect speech. So first of all we write here he, and said to change according to the rule here told. After told we can write me, comma, inverted comma, and left in this place. Here we can use as a conjunction word, that, especially in simple sentence. Now you is second person pronoun and first form, and you change according to the object. And here we can left the first form, so we can use here the first form of me. Then we can write here I. Then you are playing cricket at this time. Almost students very easily understand what type of the tense in this sentence, because you are playing, it means we can find here helping verb also, and at this time it is the adverb. So we can say that the sentence is related to present continuous. Now question is this, which tense we can change here? So present continuous we can change into past continuous. Then here we can find I was, because the singular number I here, we can use was helping verb. I was playing cricket, and at this time this we can change into that, and at last we can write time here. It is very easy sentence. I think you understand very well because it is very normal rule. One more thing, students, if you can find in reporting verb any present and future tense, then we can't change the tenses in reported speech. It is very important rule, you know that. If you can find in reporting verb in present and future tense, then we cannot change the tenses in reported speech. We can easily understand these type of the examples. You can look on the board. It is very easy. So this type of the example mostly ask the competition examinations with the alternative. For example, here we can find he says to me, comma, inverted comma, you play football. It is very easy sentence. Then how we can change in indirect speech? He says to tell, into change and tells me. Here we use a conjunction word. You according to me. Here we can find I. Then you play football. It is present simple because it is the first form of the verb. Now you students, we can't use as a yes here, so we can say it is present simple. Then present simple, also in present simple here we can't change the tense in this type of the situation because we can find in reporting verb says to. Otherwise we can find he will say to. Now then we can change the sentence, he will tell me. It is the same condition, but there were no change of related to the tenses here because here we can find present simple and present tense also in future tense also. Now the next example you can find, she said to me and you wash your face. It is a simple sentence. Now how we can change in indirect speech? First of all, right here, see, said to we can change into told. After told we can use me, comma, inverted comma left in this place. Here we can use that. You according to me we can change here I and you wash your face. It is present simple. Now present simple change into according to rule past simple. In past simple we can make the sentence in affirmative. So we can here use the second form of the verb I washed and your is second person pronoun in second form. So now according change into object and object in me second form my. We change in my and I wash my face. It is a correct sentence. Students, I think you understand very well. It is very simple sentences. Simple sentence we shall today study about how we can change to direct, indirect. There are the 3 and 4 major rules. 3 major rules in reported speech according to the tense, pronoun and time and distance. Also very easy rule. In reporting verb, if you can find in said to in past tense, now we change. If we can find here the future and present tense, we can't change in tenses in reported speech. It is very easy. I think you understand very well what is the changes of pronoun, what is the changes of tenses and how we can change the sentence direct to indirect. One more thing, students, if you can find a universal truth in this type of the sentence. For example, he said to him, comma, inverted comma, the sun rises in the east. It is a universal truth, you know. Then we can't change in reported speech. He told him that the sun rises in the east. The same situation. One more thing here, if we can find in universal truth, if we can find in habitual action, if we can find in historical fact and scientific also, we can't change in reported speech because this type of the sentence are same at the same condition when we change direct to indirect. So students, you understand the topic, you understand the simple sentence, how we can change to direct and indirect. There are 3 and 4 major rules. You can easily find any grammar, any other books.
If you any confusion, any doubt, you can watch many time my video. I think you understand very well. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you very much.